Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome machine from Yeamon. It is meant for period cramps, and let me tell you, it works great. I'm going to show you some of its features. So this has a feature where when you turn it on, it vibrates for you, and it has 3 different speeds. So that's always good. I know when I have my period and my cramps are really bad, sometimes I press on the area. Well, this is kind of giving you the same feeling. And it's also like a built-in heating pad, and you can choose the level of heat that you want. On the other side, it's nice and soft and cushy, so it's super comfortable to use. The band is really easy to slip on. I just put it through my feet and up to my hips, and you know, that's where I put it. And having this is a really great option because you don't have to keep reheating a heating pad or anything like that. It's super small and convenient to take with you and travel. I just really think this is a great machine to own. I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.